Hi kiddos, how are you? So today we're gonna learn science stuff. So let's see what are we gonna learn today. Let's dive in and see about heat and temperature, and you're stuck with me today. So subscribe. Now, what is heat? Let's see what heat is. So it is a form of energy. So we know it's kind of an energy, but which kind of energy? It is flows from hot objects to cool objects. So all right, heat is thermal energy, the energy that comes from hot objects. So heat flows from the hot to the cool, like in here, from hot to cool, like in here, with a hot coffee. So when an object is cold, its particles don't move much. But when an object is hot, its particles move a lot. And we are about to see it. Let's look at these particles. That's the left. Sorry, that's the left. On the left, we got the cold particles. Look at the movement. They don't move much. They're kind of lazy. But on the other hand, in the right hand, we have the hot particles, and they are actually moving. Like they are actually exercise, actively moving. So here's the difference. Now, we're going to talk about something else, a word that starts with T, temperature. What is temperature? So temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness into something, into a liquid, into a gas, into a solid, into whichever. In fact, we had our temperature taken when we have a fever. When we spike a fever, dad or mom takes the thermometer because, oops, it's measured with a thermometer. It can be measured with a thermometer. So they pull up the thermometer and they stick it up. So if that way they can see if we have fever or if we don't. So temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness into something. Let's see. Here we have a thermometer, and then we have the cold in blue, and in red, obviously, the hot one. So what else do we know about temperature? It can be measured in different scale degrees. Yes, scale degrees. We only know the Celsius one, but there are other two that I want you to know today that are the Fahrenheit and the Kelvin. And its acronyms are pretty much like this. Oops, that's our thermometers. Here we have Celsius with a C, Fahrenheit with a F, and Kelvin just with a K. Notice that it doesn't have the degree sign. And here I can go back to the measures, to the thermometers. Here is in Celsius and here is in Fahrenheit. In the US, they use this kind of measure, but here in Colombia, we use Celsius. So trivia time. Air conditioning can affect our tolerance for hot temperatures. Yes. If you're used to air conditioning all the time, a hot day may seem hotter, even though it is. Even that it is not. Sorry. So here's you, all sweaty because it's a hot day because you're used to the AC, to the beautiful of the AC. So see you next time, kiddos.